Canada's Prairie Provinces. The Prairie Provinces are Manitoba, Saskatchewan, and Alberta. These provinces have rich farmland and energy resources. The weather is dry with cold winters and hot summers. Manitoba. Manitoba's main jobs are farming, mining, and making electricity from water. The biggest city is Winnipeg. It has a famous place called Portage and Main. Winnipeg also has many French speakers in a neighborhood called St. Boniface. Manitoba has the most Aboriginal people of any province. Many people in Manitoba also have Ukrainian roots. Saskatchewan. Saskatchewan grows a lot of wheat and other grains. It has 40% of Canada's good farmland. The province also has uranium and potash used in farming. Saskatchewan produces oil and gas too. The capital city is Regina, where police officers train. Saskatoon is the biggest city. It is known for mining and education. Alberta. Alberta has the most people of the Prairie Provinces. Alberta was named after Princess Louise Caroline Alberta. She was one of Queen Victoria's daughters. Alberta has 5 national parks, including Banff and Lake Louise. The province has many dinosaur bones. Alberta produces the most oil and gas in Canada. Alberta also has big cattle farms and is famous for beef.